Alright, so maybe you've gone to the drive-in or you're giving your kids some candy, and what happens with M&Ms? They're all over the floor, they're all over the seat, right? Well, let's see if we can vacuum these up and which nozzles we need to vacuum. Alright, so no problem with the main nozzle at all. Alright, so I had no problem at all here with the main nozzle. I'm curious if this nozzle is big enough to get them out. Let's see. Looks like it is, and it works really well. Gets them up with no problem. Now let's see if the hose will work. Yeah, it looks like the hose will work too. Got all of them up, plus some rocks that I didn't notice. And it doesn't sound like they're in there hot. So I'm going to say that ThisWorx car vac has no problem whatsoever vacuuming up M&Ms. Now if they're melted, that may be a different story.